In this video, I'm unboxing and taking a quick look at these Aukey USB A to C charging and data cables. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today we're taking a look at these Aukey USB-C charging and data cables. First, I'd like to thank Aukey for providing these to the channel and for me to be able to take a look at these and give my thoughts and initial review. Today we're going to do an unboxing and just take a look at these. Now, you can purchase these off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. And this is a 2-pack of these cables, and they're 2 meters in length, 6.6 feet. And so let's take a look. I have reviewed a few other Aukey devices and cables and things like that on the channel before, and they are very well made. I will say that. I've been using the USB-C to USB-C cable that I reviewed about a month ago, and I'll link to that in the card on this video. But I've been using that day to day to charge my MacBook using the MacBook cable or the MacBook charger, and it's worked really well. So if we pull these out, you'll see right away that these are quality cables. They are the braided nylon. They have a Aukey kind of Velcro-ish type cable tie as part of this. So as you can see, nice cable end. These are not like the crimped ends that you might see on some cheaper cables or cheaper USB-C. Usually, sometimes you'll see it like it looks like it's bent around and crimped on one end where it's broken. It's not continuous. This has a nice, very solid end, and same thing, the other end. And what I like about these is that they have very nice rubber cable, the cable ends, so like the stress ends of the cables where they would normally sometimes get frayed and that sort of thing. I've noticed on the Aukey cables that that those cable ends are really nice and beefy, so you shouldn't run into any of those kind of problems. But yeah, so pretty long cable, like I said. It's 6.6 feet. Good length, and very well made braided cable. Not too rigid, but not too soft, so it does provide very good protection, and then you can easily kind of wrap it up. So you can just kind of put it back together like that. Yeah, I don't know really what more to say about these. I'll definitely test them with my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and I'll write in the comments here if there's any issues with these. But like I said, I just wanted to take a quick unboxing and quick look at these cables. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.